Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the different components of the anatomy of CNC machines. Okay. So today we shall discuss the CNC Lathe trainer, and in the subsequent classes we are going to learn the CNC mill trainer. So let's see, in CNC the basic part is the conventional machine tool, and then with this we have the software part, software and the related hardware parts, which will communicate with the conventional machine tools. So in CNC lathe also, the conventional machine tool is the lathe machine tool. So in lathe, as we have already seen in the workshop, when we were here in the college, while working with the center lathe, we have seen the basic components of lathe. The same thing is here. First thing is the chuck. This is a 3-jaw universal chuck. Okay. So on the one side of this lathe, we have a live center that is represented by the chuck, or sometimes we call it headstock, and on the other side we have the head center, or sometimes we call it tailstock, or the other side, tail head. Okay, so between these two, the jobs will be there for operation, and in between these two, there is a tool post. Now, the speciality of this tool post is slightly different that we have seen in the workshop while working in the lathe. That is, the first part is the different types of motors which are not used usually in conventional machine tools, like say stepper motor used here for two directional movements. One is along the X direction, the other along the Z directions. Okay, and the second part is the tool post. It is usually called the automatic tool changer, ATC, or sometimes we call it simply tool pallet. Here in our tool pallet, it can hold 8 number of different tools. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 number of different tools can be accommodated here while you are working on the chart. Okay, so and the lathe blade, we have already seen the conventional machine tool also, it is the same thing. Now, another difference is there compared to the conventional machine tools, that is the, in place of the lead screw, here we have the recirculating ball screw. You cannot see it here, it is under this cover, but we shall discuss about the recirculating ball screw in your PowerPoint presentation that will be discussed in your class, online class session. Okay, so from that you can get some basic idea of this component. Now, second part is the movements. It has different movements, like say the movement of the rotational movement of the chuck, the linear movement of the tool post along this way or along the longitudinal direction. So these three movements have to be controlled and governed by something, some means. And for that, here one chuck is there, some sensors are also connected with this, which has to sense the number of rotations. That means the single speed which we are going to provide to this chuck, that has to be monitored by this sensor, and the same data will be sent feedback to this controller. And the same similarly here also you can see the limit switch is there, so that due to some writing mistake, if we have written some code which would show that the tool post has to go away from this tailstock, that means say it is quite a long distance which cannot be accommodated within this span of this blade. In that case, the limit switch is provided there, which would stop this tool post at once once it reaches the particular limit. It cannot go beyond that. Similarly on this side also. Okay. Now, what type of sensor is used in case of this speed rotation calculation? That sensor name is, we call it absolute encoder. Of course, encoder can be incremental type also, but here absolute encoder, it is mounted on the same shaft of this spindle. Now, regarding the controller part, this controller consists of several parts. Now, first thing is you have to understand the name of the controller. Sometimes it is asked in the interview also. The name of the controller here, it is fun. Okay. Several other types of controllers are also available, like Siemens, Philips, etc. Okay, we shall discuss it during your online classes also, the detail of it. Now, the software which is used for the operation, for writing the codes, etc. The name of the software is CAD version 3.1. Okay, so here we have to write these three window panels are there. One is 2-dimensional, second is 3-dimensional, and just below this it is the notepad where we can write the G code, M codes, etc. That is the part program. The detailed tools or guiding features of the part program, etc. we shall discuss it afterwards by learning the programming technique for the CNC Lathe. Okay. Thank you. If you have any questions, you may ask your questions through your email or the Google Meet class. Thank you very much.